Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Style Theory by Jazz. How you all are doing? What's going on? So I hope you guys are traveling safe and contributing to the local tourism. And I and my husband went to two places last week. One is Page Tiger Reserve, and second is Pachmadi. Both are in Madhya Pradesh. We planned a road trip from Hyderabad to Page, that is around 582 kilometers, and from there to Pachmadi, that is 180 kilometers. So I'll tell you about my trip details and how we planned our trip, how we planned our sightseeing, where we stayed. I'll put all the links in my description box so that if you're planning a trip to Pachmadi or Page Tiger Reserve, it will guide you a lot in planning your trip. And also I've written a very detailed blog where you can find the things which you can carry while traveling, and or if you're planning a trip to these two places. So let's dive into the video. We started at 8:30 a.m., took NH44. The roads are amazing throughout our journey, especially till Nagpur. We booked a hotel in advance, which was 20 kilometers away from Page Tiger Reserve. It is advisable to stay within 10 kilometers from the main Tiger Reserve entry gate if you have chosen 6:30 a.m. safari. But as we had our own vehicle, we stayed in the Highway Hotel, Green Park Resort. We reached the hotel at 5:30 p.m., took some rest and had dinner and slept early as we had booked a safari at 6:30 a.m. You can choose the afternoon or the night safari as per your convenience. But the charm of the morning safari. Check out which entry gate is nearer from where you are traveling. We chose Turia Gate, which is famous and nearer if you are traveling via Nagpur. Other gates are Jamtara and Karmachiri. You need to book the forest permit in advance from the government portal website. That will cost rupees 500 each, and once you reach the gate, you have to pay for the safari. That is rupees 2500 for the entire safari and rupees 500 for the guide. There were many people who were there from different states. We thought we were the only ones from Hyderabad, but no, there were many from Telangana. This is the place from where you can book your safari tickets. This is the entry gate. Due to COVID, wearing your mask is very important, and they are quite strict as well. In the morning, it was very cold, so thank God we kept our jackets. We loved the experience. The morning breeze was quite chilly, so don't forget to carry a winter wear or jacket if you are traveling in the morning. So we witnessed a deer at first. So we packed our own food because we were not staying in any resort who can pack our breakfast in the morning, early morning. So if you are staying in a good resort, then they'll definitely pack your breakfast. And if you're not carrying anything, then definitely you'll get tea or coffee in the forest canteen. And don't worry about the washrooms, they are also very neat and clean. So we witnessed bear, deer, elephants, peacocks, and whenever we get a call that the tiger has passed just now from any area, we'll just stop by and we'll wait for him to show up. I was so excited just for a glimpse. And you need to keep a pin drop silence. We did this at least like 3-4 times, but it was a bad luck. We couldn't find any tiger. So I was telling Ram to keep a pin drop silence because otherwise they'll listen to you and they won't show up. So most of the safaris are waiting for the glimpse of a tiger, but that day it was like bad luck, nobody can find a tiger. अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं पंचमढ़ी। क्या कर रहे हैं बताओ? After 5 hours of exploration, we came back and started for Panchmadi. You'll come across the longest flyover over the Page Tiger Reserve so that wildlife movements are not disturbed. Again, the roads are brilliant. We had a lunch at 1 p.m. in the highway restaurant. You'll find multiple options on your way. The climate was fine, and most of the time the roads were clear. There was very less traffic. So Panchmadi is 180 kilometers from Page, so we didn't take much breaks. We wanted to reach our resort early, so we reached our resort at 5 p.m. At that day we just relaxed, and unfortunately we didn't have a network as the resort is situated in the foothill, but it was very relaxing. The resort representatives were very welcoming. Next day we started for Panchmadi, that is 20 kilometers up from our resort. The ghats are edgy and the roads are very narrow. So we planned our first day to visit all the places which don't require an entry fee or permit. First we visited Handi Cove, which is 300 feet tall cliff, also known as Suicide Point, and also known for its scenic beauty. We clicked some pictures. Then from there we went to Priyadarshini Point. It is a must-visit place with an incredible mountain view. We spent some time relaxing and watching the clouds in peace. Then from there we left for Gupt Mahadev Temple, which is famous for its 40 feet long cave. There are many famous temples, but we couldn't make it to all except this one. Jatashankar and Chauragarh is a must-visit temple if you have time and energy for trekking. From there we left for Pandav Caves. It is known for 5 rock-cut temples and adorned with naturally grown gardens. It is believed that Pandavas lived in these caves during their exile, and that's how the Panchmadi name came from. The garden is beautiful, and the top view is just amazing. So we called it a day with a couple boating in Boat Club Lake. It is the best place to spend time with family and witness sunset. We booked a paddle boat and spent some quality time. So we left for a resort at around 6 p.m. and it was like very dark. It is really advisable to leave little early if you are staying in the foothill. So we reached at around 7 p.m. The hospitality of this resort is really amazing. We had some delicious dinner. Next day we left at around 9 a.m. and before we booked our safari we came across a Catholic church. It is known for its French architecture, which was built more than 150 years ago. The architecture is beautiful. We clicked some amazing pictures. From there we went to Bison Lodge, where you need to book the safari that cost rupees 1700 for a full day and rupees 300 for the forest permit. We parked our car there and booked a safari for our off-road ride. So first we went to Bee Fall. It was too crowded. You need to step down at least like 450 stairs to witness one waterfall. It was too hot and we got irritated. We came back after we climbed down around 150 stairs.
Hello, hi friends. How are you feeling?
कैसा लगा बी फॉल? बी फॉल कैसा लगा? जो फॉल हमने देखा ही। हेलो। ओह भाई साहब, क्या हो रही है यान? From there we went to Apsara Vihar Fall. It was not crowded at all in the afternoon. I thought we are the only ones who were there. You need to walk at least 1.5 kilometer to reach the waterfall. So there are two waterfalls. One is Rajat Prabhat, one is Apsara Vihar. ये हम लोग जा रहे हैं, कहाँ जा रहे हैं? अप्सरा विहार फॉल। और ये भी काफ़ी नीचे है बट थोड़ा सा फ्लैट है, इसलिए अच्छा लग रहा है। अभी कौन सा रास्ता है? ये है या ये है? ये तो कोई रास्ता ही नहीं है। श्योर। I love the place. There were only 2-3 families. We did some amazing photo shoots too, and we spent some quality time peacefully. It's the best place, guys, like more than Bee Fall. We met some amazing people there, really had some real fun there. तो अभी हम लोग हैं अप्सरा विहार फॉल पे, और ये बेस्ट फॉल है। बी फॉल से भी अच्छा, ज़्यादा स्टीप नहीं है नीचे, और बहुत सुंदर है। यहाँ पे एंजॉय भी कर सकते हैं। नहाना अलाउड नहीं है बट यस एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। जैसे देखो अभी यहाँ बच्चे कर रहे हैं एंजॉय। From there we left for Reachgad. Again you need to walk a lot. So but I must say it was worth it. The caves were one of the biggest natural caves, and a walk through dark narrow caves was memorable. It is believed that once upon a time a giant bear called Reach in Hindi used to live there. It's really scary. The caves are very narrow. You need to bend and walk through the caves. The caves also climb up to lush greenery. We had a plan to visit Dhupgarh too, which is the highest point in Pachmadi, and it's a must visit place for sunset, but we were tired like anything, hence we cancelled the plan. So this was our last stop. Shot some amazing pictures here too. So we came back to our resort as next day we had to start traveling back to Hyderabad in the morning. The roads were not very busy at all again. While coming back, we had an amazing time in a highway restaurant. We reached Hyderabad at 11:30 p.m. So that's about our trip, guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope it will help you plan your trip too. So if you have any questions about the trip, please let me know in the comment section, and I would love to answer that. Before you leave, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Style Theory by Jazz. See you next time. Bye bye.